This week, Genesis held the North American debut of the Electrified GV70 during a special media event in Los Angeles. The Electrified GV70 is the third electric vehicle added to the Genesis lineup and celebrates another step toward a more sustainable future. Genesis GV70 is stylish, comfortable, and compliant, and it costs less than all of its German counterparts. Available with powerful dual-motor setup, delivers up to 360 kilowatts with unique boost mode. Up to 283 miles on a single charge of 77 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery and sport trim, the GV70 offers a bit of everything for everyone. But most importantly, it nails the basics of what makes a great luxury crossover. It's easily one of the best options in the segment. The electric model of the GV70 sets a standard for luxury electric SUVs. Built on the heritage of the GV70, it inherited its predecessor's spacious interior and adding outstanding performance and a host of new technologies designed exclusively for electric vehicles. The first public showing of the Genesis Electrified GV70 in the US market will take place during the LA Auto Show from November 18th to 27th at the Los Angeles Convention Center. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.